Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit page in Confluence. Now, the first thing I want you to do is open the space you have your pages in. So here we have our start spaces. You can go ahead and click on the space, or if you don't have them starred, you can come here, click on spaces. You'll get this drop down and just choose your space. So I'll choose this one right here, and on the left-hand panel, you should see all the pages you have in this space. Then you just select the page that you want to edit. Let's say this one right here. You click on it and you can click here on edit, or you can press E on your keyboard. That's the keyboard shortcut. Let me go ahead and press E. And as you can see, it is opening up the editor mode. Okay. And then you can type in anything you want right here and make your edits. And once you're done, of course, you can update and save it. So you tap here on update. And of course, another way to do this, right next to the name, you'll see these three dots. You can click on it, and then you can click on edit to enter the edit mode. But otherwise, it's really that easy. And that is how to edit page in Confluence.